So what does the Iron Baltic skid plate look like? The skid plate that you get for the Zforce 950 HOEX. I got plastic and I got aluminum. So what it is, it's plastic down the middle, and I'm going to show you that in a second. And then you get the aluminum on the sides that come up just underneath the doors. This one piece will go around your, protect your gas tank, and then one piece is on below the driver's door. So let's take a look at the aluminum skid plates. So right off the bat, it's a pretty large piece that goes along the bottom and then up the sides. Got some nice welds here in the aluminum. It's got drainage holes. It also has mounting holes. But here's the inside. And take a look at this gauge of aluminum. Like, there's nothing going through this. This thing is solid, very well built. So yeah, you got two of those. Here you have mounting brackets. This probably goes somewhere near the front. I don't even know yet. I didn't even look at the instructions. There's two of them. And then these mounting brackets have something to do with these panels here. So that's not what really matters here. You're not here to see brackets and stuff. You want to see the skid plates. So I just changed the camera so you get a better look. This here is the middle plastic skid plate. And there are two pieces. Yeah, there's two pieces. There's one for the back in the middle, and then I got a piece for the front. So there's three pieces. So what you have is nice, solid plastic. Look at the thickness of this thing. Look at the thickness. Like I said, there's no tree branches or rocks going through this skid plate. This is really going to protect your transmission, your diffs, everything. It's got curves for it everywhere it needs to go. I'm going to show you the other pieces. So here's the piece that goes at the back of the side-by-side. So if you want to change your engine oil, there's holes to drain oil. It has it all. It's all been well thought out. Again, very, very thick plastic. Like, look at this thing. It is solid. I'll show you a couple more pieces. Here is the front piece. So your winch cable will come through here. Your fair lead will fit here. They got their label here. So this is the bottom that protects the underneath the front of your side-by-side right up to front where your winch is. It has this piece here. It's all reinforced with aluminum inside. Very well made. And here is some aluminum that protects your lower control arm. Very good, protects your rubber axle boots. So yeah, very good protection here. I have one on the other side. It's the only two pieces I have on right now. I just had to throw them on once I opened up the box. See what they look like. Then we'll come around to the back here. I'm going to be putting these on shortly. These pieces here, there's one piece here for the back here. It goes around here somewhere like this, protects things. There's the other one. And then over here, we got our instructions. We have all our hardware. Look at all the hardware here. It's crazy, but you're going to need it. And we have our instructions for the Cfmoto Zforce 950. So yeah, see, it's got all the instructions you need to put this all together. And that's how I have my side-by-side lifted on one side. And I'm just going to use my creeper there to crawl underneath and bolt up this new skid plate. I already took off the old skid plate. The front bumper is going to have to come off. It's a Cfmoto front bumper in order for that skid plate to come up in front of here in the fair lead. And it's going to bolt in here somewhere. So I'm going to take this off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill holes out in the new skid plate so that these bars here, this one here and this one here, will fit into there, into that new skid plate. And then I can put my bumper back on. But look at that. Look at that aluminum body armor underneath there. Doesn't that look cool? And then with the plastic underneath, and then the aluminum you'll see coming up on the sides here. It's going to be amazing. So I just wanted to do a short video showing you what you get with the Iron Baltic skid plate, how heavy duty it is. I was really impressed when I opened the box. I knew it was going to be nice, but it wowed me. I was actually kind of shocked it was that thick, especially the plastic, and how well built it is, and these welds on the aluminum, how everything's shaped the way you need it to be for this certain model of side-by-side. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Next video you're going to see is installation, and then we're going to take it out to Nefton ATV trails eventually, and we're going to try it out in them crazy trails. A lot of rocks and stumps and all kinds of stuff. Old White Lightning's going to have a blast out there now that it's protected. So stay tuned for that video. You can watch this one next. wherever it may be. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.